We recently installed a Viper remote start system on this brand new 2020 Honda Accord. With remote starts becoming more and more popular, a common misconception is that they are only for automatic transmissions. This Viper remote start system is for manual transmission. You just have to do a few simple steps before leaving your vehicle, and we're going to show you how. Before you leave your car, you must 1. Put your foot on the brake, 2. Make sure the vehicle is in neutral, 3. Apply the parking brake, 4. Wait for the dash lights to flash, and 5. Exit the vehicle with the car running. Once you leave your vehicle, it will beep loudly, and then shut off, and you're all set. If you're interested in a Viper remote start system for your vehicle, make sure you go to our website, blackedition.cc.